emergency vehicles for all barangays. We have also acquired land for the noodle pool, as well as the land for the expansion of the municipal slaughterhouse. Behind the various accomplishments of programs and projects, iyan nitagaan dahil bili ang mga empleyado na naglihok para niining. Ang pagrekompensar sa mga talento, kahibalo, oras at pagpaninamot sa mga empleyado at panaagi sa pagpahatag o equitable benefits, rewards, and incentives. Gawa sa pag-appoint o ubay ng mga regular employees, we fully implement ang Magna Carta for health workers. Significantly, without hesitation, he granted the implementation of new salary increase, adopting national rate effective 2024. That, of course, not all with the support of the Sangguniang Bayan members. The local government in Maracanang is among the few LGUs in Davao de Oro, including the province, that implemented salary schedule equivalent to national agencies. Kining dakong tabang, dili lang sa pag-boost sa moral sa mga empleyado, naghatag sa kini ug dakong benepisyo sa matag pamilya ang mahatagan ug tubag ang panginahanglan sa basic needs. Mayor Lee is the 6th mayor that I have served and worked with. So ayaw na lang pumunta ng bilang edad. Umuman ang 3 years sa panagupat sa pagserbisyo, apan puno kini sa mga daghan, maayong butang na nahimo, and it's underscored by hard work, dedication, and good relationship. Dili man dali ug sayon ang pagsugod sa iyang administrasyon, gani sa 6th ka mayor sa Managlan, ang Mayor Lito Rodrigo nakatilaw o si Pei. Mayor, ako iputay. And it was so striking for me then. At first, he may adversely react if he doesn't amend or misunderstood one's point. But once he sees the pureness of your intentions, he won't hesitate to give you selfless respect, trust, and confidence in you. And I am